So here's the answers for the ones we just did on the board for the online people. How about I unfreeze that now before I write a bunch of stuff? Okay. Now, here's why we reviewed GCFs, okay? Now, you know our box method, how we multiply things together? We're gonna start learning how to use that to do the opposite. Turn something in standard form into the two parentheses. That's what we're learning today, okay? So the box, luckily, is gonna make it really easy, okay? So now before you even do the box, the first thing you always look for when you're factoring is a GCF. No matter what, you always wanna look for a GCF. And if there is one, you're gonna get rid of it, okay? So, steps to factoring by grouping. Step 1, take out GCF. All right, step 2 is put each term in a box. It doesn't matter which term you put where, okay? So on this first one on A, I'm gonna do 4x squared, 20x, negative 3xy, and negative 15y. I'm just gonna put each piece in a box, okay? Yeah.
Is this unit going on this term?
Part of it. The test is gonna go on term 2's grade. Okay? Yes. Just make sure you sign out on the sign out sheet, okay? All right, good? Are you asking because you like this unit or you hate it?
Just curious.
Okay. What do you guys think? Easy so far or tough?
It's pretty dang hard.
Pretty dang hard. Are you being sarcastic?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now step 3, once I've put everything in the box, is I'm going to look at each row and take out GCF. Okay, so what I mean by that is I'm going to start by only looking at that row, okay? Is there a GCF for just that row?
Yes.
What is it? 4x? Okay, great. So take it out. I don't even need to do the division. I just need to take out the GCF. Okay? Now, let's look at this row. Is there a GCF? Oh, good, you remembered negative. The first one was negative, so we have to take the negative out. Negative 3, is that it? Negative 3y, good. Good? Okay, step 4. Look at each column and take out GCF. Okay? So in column 1, is there a GCF? Positive or negative? Positive. The first one's positive. So we leave it positive. Good. X. Okay. Now let's look at this column. Is there a GCF? 5. Very good. Okay. Last step, 5. Put the factors together. So my factors, remember when we did this before? didn't we write our parentheses on the outside of my box, right? So my factors are x plus 5 and 4x minus 3y. Yeah, we're doing the reverse. We used to multiply them together, and now we're taking them apart. Okay. Sorry. Okay, you're okay. That one too, or no?
No.
Okay. Uh-huh. All right, you guys don't need to write this part down. I just want to show you, okay? If on unit 1 and last unit, I gave you guys these, and I said, okay, multiply them out, right? You would have done this, right? You would have drawn this, gone x plus 5, 4x minus 3y. I would have done this times this, 4x squared, this times this, 20x, negative 3xy, negative 15y, right? And then I would have added these pieces up. 4x squared plus 20x minus 3xy minus 15y, and this would have been our answer, right? But do you see that now that is this, right? But now we're doing the opposite. We're doing good? Okay, should we do one more together and then you guys can try one on your own? You feel you're already ready to do it on your own? Yeah? Hold on. Does anyone want to do one more together? Okay, try part B on your own. B and C. Try B and C on your own. Okay? Oh no. Remember, it doesn't matter which row or which box you put each piece. Oh no! I messed up on B, guys. When I did it, which means my guess is that you guys probably messed up too. Did you remember? Here, I think we should talk about B real quick. Okay, hold on. It's not going to work if I don't take out a GCF first, if there is one. So before you can put the things in the box, does anybody see if there's a GCF on B? It's 3. I got to pull that GCF out or it's not going to work. The box is not going to work. So I got to start by taking the 3 out of everything. So it'd be 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 10. If I don't pull that GCF out before I put my pieces in the box, then it's not going to work. Yeah?
You have to have a greatest common factor for all 4 numbers or just
For when you say, oh, it has to be for all 4 numbers to be a GCF. Yes. Okay. So then, I'll just finish this one. X cubed minus 2x squared, 5x minus 10. Again, it's not going to work unless I pull a GCF out of everything before I put it in my box. So my GCF out of here is x. Out of this one is going to be negative 2. Out of this row is x squared, and this row is 5. So I still have I'm going to do a different color so you can. My 3 I pulled out at the beginning, and then I have my 2 factors. So it doesn't work, once again, it doesn't work unless you pull out any GCFs first. Notice that C doesn't have a GCF, right? Because a lot of them look like they're divisible by 2, but that one's not. Does that make sense? Okay? Okay, so now actually what I want you to try is C and F. Try C and F. Okay, yeah. Here, let me come on over there to you. I'm just going to try C and F, and then I'll come around and answer questions.